So guys, now I'm here in Coral Perfumes Dubai Outlet Mall, and I will show you their top selling perfumes and some more information about their brands.
Hi, I'm Anna from Coral Perfumes, Coral Outlet Mall, Dubai. Coral Perfume is one of the most trusted perfume retail chain in UAE with 12 branches since 2012. Coral Perfumes has its own manufacturing unit in Dubai where we can produce perfumes on large scale. That enables us to sell perfumes at very competitive price. We sell perfumes from top international brands like Chanel, Dior, Creed, etc. We also have our own range of products like Scape, Desire, Eau d'Elixir, and Xfinity, etc. Apart from that, we have a well-established perfume bar set up where we can make customized perfume on the customer choices instantly. These perfumes are the top sellers in Coral Perfumes. Top 1 best seller here in Coral Perfumes is this one, Xfinity, suitable for women. It is available cost only for 99 dirhams and it is long-lasting fragrance. The main notes of this perfume is jasmine. The second top seller here is this one, Oud Elixir. This is Arabic fragrance. This is suitable for men and women, unisex scent. The notes for this perfume is patchouli, musk, and wild rose. It is available only for 75 dirhams. The third best seller here in Coral Perfumes is this one, Amberry Wood. This is a unisex fragrance. The notes of this perfume is like agarwood and musky scent. It is only available for 138 dirhams only. The fourth best seller here in Coral Perfumes is this one, Charms. This is unisex scent also. It is only available for 50 dirhams only. The main notes of these perfumes are this one, bergamot, musky, and vanilla. The top 5 is this one, Misty. Misty is for women. It is available for only 75 dirhams. It's suitable for women only. The main notes for this perfume is cherry. Now, I want you to take you in our perfume bar setup where you can make your customized perfume. This is our perfume bar setup where customers are customizing their own fragrance like international brands. Here are our special notes that make our perfume more long-lasting as customer choice. One of the special notes here is like this one, jasmine. These essential oils are very strong, so it will make the perfume more long-lasting. Now, I will show you how to customize perfume. First, we need to fill this one like 30 ml for 100 dirhams. After filling the oils, we will put the essential oils to make long lasting. We will put only 1 drop because these notes are very strong. And after, we will put the ethanol for mixing perfume. We will going to mix it. We will mix like 30 seconds only. Finish. Then after, we will fill into the bottle. After, we will put all the accessories like the pump, so your perfume is ready. And after the customer is satisfied with the smell, we will put now in the box. You can buy our Coral perfumes in our retail stores, and you can buy also online in our website coralperfumes.com. I will provide the information on this video.